Sammy the squirrel zipped happily through the forest on his tiny bike, wearing his shiny yellow helmet. He saw his friend, Bella the bunny, driving her red car and buckling her seatbelt carefully before starting her journey. Sammy told Bella, "Helmets and seatbelts keep us safe, just like armor for knights protecting them from danger." Suddenly, a big rolling log appeared in Bella's path, but her seatbelt kept her safely in her car. Sammy's helmet protected him when he took a tumble off his bike after jumping over a bumpy route. Bella and Sammy laughed, remembering they stayed safe because they followed the rules and wore their safety gear.